Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set your photo or image as folder icon in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to navigate here at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you have typed that, please proceed with the best match and go with open to continue. The moment you are being redirected to the Google Chrome browser itself, all you need to do is you need to proceed at the description box below. You would be able to see a link there being attached. All you need to do is you need to copy it, Control C to copy, and at the Windows search bar, Control V to paste. Once you have pasted that, click on enter and wait until you are being redirected to the result. Okay, so you would be redirected on this website called Convert Show, where here all you need to do is you need to click on this Choose Files button, okay? And it will ask you to locate the picture that you want to set as your icon with, okay? All you need to do is you need to select it and click on Open. And once you have click on it, okay, all you need to do is you need to go with Convert. So it's now uploading. You just have to wait until it will be done. And once it is being done, there you would be able to see an option called download. All you need to do is you need to click on download to download the picture or file. And here it will be downloaded in your Windows. Okay, it marked here done. Okay, so to proceed, you just have to wait until the icon would be available here. Okay, and once it's here, all you need to do is you need to close this window. Okay, and the next step that you need to do is you need to navigate to your file explorer. Okay. Once you have opened your file explorer, please proceed to the file folder that you want to set the picture as an icon with. Okay, once you have selected it, please do a right click and you need to go with properties, click on it, and under the properties tab, proceed on customize. The moment you have to click on customize, all you need to do is you need to go with changed icon. And the moment you have to click on it, go with browse options. Okay, and you need to locate where that particular picture or file is being placed to. Okay, so I would bet that this is being in the download, which is this. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to go with open, and once you have to open it, there you would be able to see it there under the box under select an icon from the list below that you have searched. All you need to do is click on OK, go with apply, and then OK. Once you have clicked on it, there you go. You have just successfully set the picture as your folder icon here in your Windows. Okay, you can do the same on the rest of the file folders that you want to set the picture as your folder icon with. Okay, so close this window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.